Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Enjo Draws. Today's artwork was inspired by a monthly challenge on PENUP to draw grapes. It's not something that I would really lean towards. The pieces I saw were just wow. It's actually the smooth texture that drew me in. Went on Google, selected a random picture of grapes, and got to it. And we start off with a simple outline. On one of the pieces I saw, it gave me a Van Gogh color in the number type of vibe, and I was wondering how can I do that? I went on PENUP, where you select any image and then select the color shades that you want to be included, and this is what it looks like. My editing skills are not that perfect, so if you see the colors going over the original outline, is because I inserted the pictures a bit lower. This is where color in the number comes in handy. So you pick a shade, outline it, and outline everywhere you see that specific shade and number it. The original photo has a lot of shades, so PENUP just rounds off some colors to the nearest shade that you selected. Then you go in and fill in the shape with that specific color, and thanks to autofill, it makes things simple and quick. And yes, it takes time, it takes practice, consistency, commitment, but trust me, the end is beautiful. Sadly, autofill is not that accurate, so you just go in and fill in the small spaces. Just to spice things up, I'm gonna give the grapes some leaves. Well, we can't leave a plain background, so I did this on another layer. Using the subtle lime green, I used the airbrush to fill and drag it towards the center with the smudge brush. By the way, don't mind the order of events. For me, when I'm taught a new skill after the lessons, I have to now translate the template given to my own style. I had to freestyle the color in the number style, except with no numbers and no shades given. I didn't know where to start, so please leave your thoughts in the comment. Moving on to the upper half. As I said, I was fascinated with that fuzzy texture, and it wasn't easy getting the details, but I tried. Oh, it got messy. I had to alternate the grapes on different layers so I can rub out the sides, and when I'm finished, I can just merge the layers. Do you want to know more ways of using the PENUP brushes? Please click on the link above. I continually alter the size and the opacity of the brush. The joy it brought when I mixed the original layer and the layer I did, and if you zoom out, I could barely tell the difference. Ta-da! Kwa hatua hii nafuta jasho. The white details are just there, to make things pop. Kuongeza chumvi. Thank you all so much for watching till the end. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and stay tuned for more Enjo draws.